everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you one of the favorite Punjabi Missi Roti. It's very tasty and very delicious and very easy to make. And let's see what ingredients we need. Wheat flour, 1 cup atta and 1 cup besan, which is gram flour, 1 cup water, small onion, 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, fenugreek leaf, cilantro, dhania, 1 tablespoon, ginger, green chili, 1 teaspoon each. All the spices will be half teaspoon each. This is ajwain, carom seed, salt, coriander powder, black pepper, cumin powder. I'm going to use homemade desi ghee. You can skip it altogether if you're health conscious, or you can use vegetable oil, olive oil, whatever you feel like it. And let's start making dough first. Get a mixing bowl, add gram flour, besan, flour, wheat flour, all the dry spices, cumin powder, black pepper, salt, coriander powder, ajwain, carom seed, kasuri methi. Once we added all the dry ingredients, with the help of fork, just make sure that we combine it well. Once it's nicely combined, now bring green chili, ginger, cilantro, dhania, onion. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to add teaspoon desi ghee. Now we're going to make a dough. So please make sure your hands are very clean. So we're going to mix desi ghee first. So once desi ghee is nicely combined, now we're going to add water. So I added a 3/4 cup water, and we still have a 1/4 cup, and this is how the dough looks. Keep kneading the dough like this. And keep turning. So about 5 minutes. This one looks good. The dough is prepared. We're going to cover with the lid and let it rest for 10 minutes before we're going to make roti. The stage is set to make missi roti. I have 2 tawas ready. The first thing I'm going to show you the missi roti where is no oil or any desi ghee is involved. And then I will show you the real Punjabi missi roti. The dough is also ready. So I'm going to get a good size of ball. So we're going to make first dough ball. So I'm going to make 2 of these. So we're going to place it into the dry flour. And same thing with this one. We're going to leave it. So this is really quick and easy to make, and it's not hard at all. So let's work on this one. Get a rolling pin. We're going to roll out. Once it's rolled out, then we're going to place it on griddle tawa. We're going to get the second one ready. We're going to do the same thing. So this one is also ready. As the colors start to change, we're going to flip it over like this. So as you see, it's start to change the color, and we're going to turn this one over. Look at this beautiful, nice color. Many people is going to ask a question that when they seen a missi roti, it comes in a yellowish color. Why? Because a lot of people add turmeric powder, and I don't like to add anything. This is a natural color, and I like it this way. If you turn your gas high, then you can make it faster, but I wanted to make it really crispy. I kept it on a medium gas, so I transfer onto the back tawa on the griddle, and we place it on this one. And now I'm going to show you the missi roti, how we going to make it with desi ghee. So get a dough ball, and we're going to get this much. So we're going to roll out this one first. Once this one is rolled out like this, then we're going to get a desi ghee. Like this. If it's like this frozen, then it's okay, no problem. You just do it like this. inside. You put it in, then you cover it, and also the color has to start to change. We're going to turn it over. So we're going to get the dry flour and we're going to roll out. And the back one is nicely crunchy. So look at this one. This is perfect. So now I'm going to take this one out into the plate and we're going to transfer this one on the back burner. I'll show you this one. This version of Missi Roti, which is the typical way of making it. And again, if you're health conscious, please avoid desi ghee or any oil. You can make it without it, like the one I showed to you. As the colors start to change, we're going to turn it over and we're going to get the desi ghee. Put some desi ghee on it. Just like this. And then we're going to turn it over. I'm going to turn my fan on. As the color, as it starts to change, we're going to turn it over. And this one is also ready. This is a without any oil or desi ghee. So we're going to make the second one ready. Now we're going to add some desi ghee. And as you can see, this one really nice and crunchy. So once you added the desi ghee, then we're going to same thing, fold it on the edges. Once it's folded, and this one is very crispy and crunchy. We're going to get some dry flour and we're going to roll out. As this one is getting ready, we're going to turn this one on the back burner. So I have my second one ready. We're going to place it on the griddle. And this one is also ready. As this one starts to change color, we're going to turn it over. We're going to get some desi ghee. How I make desi ghee at home, please watch my video. I have a poster video on my channel. So as we're going to turn it over and we're going to apply desi ghee on this side. Now we're going to turn it over. Use a spatula so your hands won't get burned. As you can see, it's a perfect, nice color. And we're going to take this one out. And this one, we're going to turn it over. So as you see, it's nicely done. So I'm going to take it out, I'm going to share with you, and then I'm going to keep continuing making the same way. As I show you two ways of making Missi Roti. This is for the people who are very health conscious. They don't need any butter, desi ghee or any oil on it. This is a perfect way to make it. And if you love desi ghee, then these are the Missi Rotis to make. Before serving, this is the homemade dahi. I have a video posted on my channel, please check it out. Look at homemade dahi. This is very delicious, very tasty and easy to make. If you buy from store-bought and once you make it at home, you will never go back to the store. You're always going to make it at home. Look at how delicious. And then desi ghee. Again, desi ghee is a strictly optional. But if you add a little amount of desi ghee prior to serving it, it will bring the taste. And without a glass of lassi, this meal is incomplete. So you have a glass of lassi with homemade dahi and Missi Roti. This is perfect, healthy, heavy breakfast. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.